Hello guys, today I'm very excited for showing you this little product that I received. And well, like you can see, it says here that it's that your dog, it's a service dog, and that he needs her space. And in this part it says that your dog, it's in training, give us space. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use it, because you just need your belt or the belt of your dog. And with this little tie it has here, you just need to tie it here in the belt of your dog, and then close it. Okay, so I'm going to be doing that. Like you can hear my dog, it's happy because I already have his belt, so it's moment to go out and continue training him, because it is necessary that when your dog it's in these moments that like the bell, it says I need space. Okay, so you just need to put it like this and then close it with this one, and I'm going to close it this too. And this is how it looks. In one part it says in training, give us space, and in the other part it says service dog, I need space. Okay, so I'm going to show you how my dog it looks with this product. Okay, like you can see, this is how the product it looks from one side. And well, I like a lot the color. And from the other side it says service dog, I need my space. So I think it's incredible, this product, because everyone will know that your pet is in a training moment.